Alright, I'm here to showcase the very first technically playable and beatable level in Plumbing Simulator 2049 or Master Plumber 2049, name pending. So, very rough stage this game is in, but the first level, or a demo level of sorts, should be working. So let's go ahead and try to beat this level. We'll need to mend this separated pipe here. We'll go ahead and open up our fitting menu. $8.59. That's not terrible. Customer's not gonna be happy when they get the bill, but I'll still be able to put meat on my table. Alright. Some pipe in here. That's not quite long enough. Now you notice I can't open this door, by the way, in case that wasn't clear. In case I didn't explicitly state it, which I didn't. I can't open that. So I guess I'll have to do something in here first. I wonder what. Oh. I wonder what I'll have to do. Maybe I'll try connecting these pipes. Whoa. Whoa. Incredible. Incredible. Well, guess I might as well try to see what else I can do here. Gonna have to make some advanced connections. So they're not too typical connections here. Ooh, I'm gonna need a coupling. Or I guess I'll just go straight to a reducer. Here we go. And looks like I'm gonna need another reducer. What a typical. I think I can connect these two. That's a bit long. What am I doing over here? Oh. Normally I would not have been able. I was far too long. Normally I wouldn't have been able to place it. But technically I'm playing the game within the editor, so I'm allowed to do things that I shouldn't be allowed to do, like place a floating pipe in the air. But that's fine. Ooh, final leg of the race here. Final leg of the race. Let's get another adapter on here. This looks like the pipe gets even smaller. And here we go. Ooh. Yay! I did it. And you know what? I'm fucking sick of this shit. Oh. Guess I broke the gun at some point, and I didn't realize it. Well, that's the first playable level.